In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a circle wipe transition in Canva. This transition effect is perfect for adding a dynamic touch to your videos, and it's easier than you might think. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your browser and go to Canva's website. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to create an account, but if you already have one, simply click on the Continue button or log in with your credentials as you normally would. Once you're logged in, it's very likely you'll see a prompt to select your Google account, assuming you've integrated it with Canva before. Choose your Google account from the options and hit Continue. Now you'll find yourself on the Canva dashboard, which offers a plethora of options for your creative projects. Next, let's get to the fun part. It's time to choose the video project that you wish to edit. You can either select an existing project from your dashboard or start a new one depending on what you have in mind. For today's tutorial, make sure you have a project ready where you want to apply the transition. With your project open, look towards the interface where you'll see the option to add a transition. This is usually represented by an icon along the timeline of your video clips. Click on this icon to proceed. In the menu that appears, you'll find several transition effects to choose from. For the purpose of this video, we're focusing on the circle wipe transition. So go ahead and select the circle wipe transition option from the list. Once you've selected the transition, you might want to fine-tune it to better suit the flow of your video. To do this, you can adjust the duration of the transition effect. This is a user-friendly feature where you can drag sliders or input specific times to get the desired duration. By customizing this, you ensure that the transition feels smooth and complements your content. Now that the transition is set, you'll want to preview how it looks in the context of your video. Click outside the effect panel to get a full view of the outcome. Then navigate to just before the transition so you can see how it plays out in real time. Finally, it's time to hit play and watch your creation come to life. Enjoy the seamless transition you've just added, and make any adjustments if needed. Don't hesitate to play around with different settings and durations until it feels just right to you. And there you have it, a simple yet effective circle wipe transition to enhance your video projects in Canva. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the many creative possibilities Canva has to offer. Thanks for watching.